The food that you're eating has fertilizers in it and it kills you. My torpedo pot grows my food for me. I never have to worry about food again in my life. Rather be kale or beet leaves. And they're both so delicious. But these are my spring crops. And I'm harvesting them, I cut them up, and I'm about to bag them and put them away. And so I wanted you to see what will happen. See, I grew these in my torpedo pots. See those planters behind me? Those are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in those planters, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. That's what I do. So my my radish, we were able to harvest 11 pounds of radish leaves, not bottom radishes, just the leaves itself. Well, these are the beet leaves. I love beet leaves. I've never had them in this quantity, this healthy before in my life. And so I'm enjoying it. And so same with the kale. We've harvested the radish. Now we're harvesting the beet leaves. And it's my kale. Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. I just harvested, it's a late Sunday, it's a beautiful day, it's gorgeous, still on the cold side. None of you probably have anything that you could buy like this. That's one with nature, without using the chemicals that you use. All we do is throw our seeds and our plants in those planters, and they grow our food for us. We never have to worry about food again in our life. I'm going to cook some of this tonight. I have some stuff I want to cook it down with. I'm just going to give it a try. It's the first time I've tried it in this quantity during my spring crop. I grew some other beet leaves, but I don't really harvest a lot of them because I want to put it in another crop. I don't want to wait long with my spring crop and then have the beets to go through the summertime. So I have a little section that strictly grows my beets. And those are the roots that I go after. But for the beet leaves, I do them early in the year. I want them as microgreens. I want to have them available. All right, so I'm about done. I just want to show you what the final product looks like. And I'm going to eat and have some fun. And I hope you have some fun too. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.